Good morning mga Labidabs. So this is the day na kami uwi na po ng Naval Biliran. So dumating na aming Grab papuntang Naiya Terminal 2. So salamat kay mamang driver. Dahil puyat po kami at maaga kaming gumising, tulog ang dalawang bata. At yun na nga, dumating na tayo sa Terminal 2 Naiya dito sa departure ng AirAsia. So, nagpapasalamat kami kay Kuya Driver for the safe travel na kami dinala niya ng maayos, safety sa Naiyang. So, yun nga po, nasa loob na po tayo. Congratulations! Welcome to Philippines! So, nag-aantay kami at yun nga, delayed. Kaya kakain na lang kami. Ako po'y nag-order ng pagkain sa Jollibee. At ako nag-ikot-ikot, pumunta sa Cafe France. At ng video-video lang, nanonood lang. Ngayon ka ng mga pagkain. Masasarap, pero mahal. So, hindi ko kayang bumili. Kaya, ayun, nag-sightseeing na lang po ako. Tingin-tingin sa kanilang mga macaroons, mga tinapay na galing sa France. So, ayun po, hanggang ganyan lang ako. Nagutom na lang ako sa kakatingin. So, ganun pa man, thank you Lord. Dumating na ang oras na kami aalis na. So, flight Z2327 bound to Tacloban. So, ayun nga po. Kami ipapasok na sa aircraft. So, this is the second time na sumakay ng airplane ng aking mga pamangkin. Una, from Tacloban going to Manila, and this is the second time na sila ay board again sa aircraft. So always watch your step kasi uneven yung daanan. So yun nga, papasok na kami at hanapin na namin ang aming mga seats doon sa number 22, A, B, and C. So yun na nga, move forward upang tayo ay makaupo. Dahil marami talaga mga pasahero kaming kasabay. So ayun na nga, mga Labidabs.
Alinsunod sa seat number na makikita sa monitor design. Mahigpit din yung pinagbabago
Dito na sa bus.
ang paglipat ng upuan ng walang pahintulot.
Flight Z2327 patungong Tacloban. Mangyari po lamang na po. Alinsunod sa seat number na makikita sa inyong boarding pass.
Tacloban. Flight time will be 1 hour. We're cruising at 33,000 feet. Weather na route as well as in Tacloban, partly cloudy skies. For your safety, please fasten seatbelt all times whenever you are seated. Should you need anything, please don't hesitate to call one of our crew in the cabin. They will be more than willing to assist you. Meanwhile, get comfortable, we're almost ready to go, and I'll get back to you later. Before we start this descent to Tacloban for latest weather information. Thank you and enjoy the flight.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern, and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, flip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation flags are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Je cherche un homme, un Pierre au Paul, un Jacques au Tom.
Saan paghilak na? Saan paghilak? Hilak na siya. Welcome back to the Leyte, ma'am. Wow, taray. Ba't nasa clouds ka? Ha? Oh, okay yun. Maganda yun. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Welcome back. Thank you, Risa. Payong-payong kaka. Ano, kuya? Laban? Katiin, butang lang. Nasa gilid. Be. Nga diri. Dito muna, Big. Maraming salamat po, AirAsia. Maraming salamat, Mana Diyosa. Maraming salamat sa lahat. So, kami papunta na po ng downtown dahil uwi kami ng Naval Biliran. Bye, mga labidabs! Mwah!